Skipp is a tech-forward renovation company. We handle the end-to-end renovation process for kitchen and bathrooms. We went with Matterport because with the data capture that we could get from the digital twin, we could really transform very quickly the possibilities of the space, and with the right technology, really help to streamline the entire pre-construction process. When it comes to renovations, customers are really looking for convenience and quality of service. It's not uncommon for homeowners to visit multiple showrooms, get multiple bids, have repeat visits from different professionals. And from a single Matterport digital twin, we get to remove all of that. We can produce accurate renderings, full breakdown of costs, materials, including labor, construction documents, and we can do this all really within just a few days. A customer can come to Skipp and very quickly they can book a Matterport 3D professional to visit their home. We collect some information and preferences from the homeowner, and very quickly in just a couple days, they receive multiple layouts with rendering and full breakdown of costs. So it really is a tremendous amount of value, and it really helps us solve that fundamental problem for that everyday homeowner.